You'll need a screwdriver and a hammer. First, unplug the key ignition lock connector. Remove the key. Use a screwdriver against the key ignition lock and tap it out with a hammer to remove the old lock. Fit the new key ignition lock into place, making sure its clips line up correctly. Take out the key, then tap the key ignition lock a few times gently with a hammer until it clicks fully into position. Finally, plug the key ignition lock connector back in.